He said it would be really cheap.
Yeah, so this company, they said that they're going to have choose 100 people to help them do a study on these arms to see how well they function and stuff. So 100 people get to have one of these robotic arms for free. And I asked them, and they picked you. You get to be one of the 100 people that gets to have a robotic arm.
For free? Really?
Yep.
Are you like just kidding?
No, I'm not kidding. I got an email today. Remember I took those pictures of your arm? I filled out an application.
Yeah.
And they said that they've accepted Myleigh into the program to receive one of the arms.